Okay. Hi everyone. It's been a while. I don't even know why the fuck I'm doing this because it makes me anxious, honestly. I had a look what my last video was on my channel, and that was 2 years ago, this video. And it said in the description, it's 2021 and it's my first video and my last, apparently. So I don't know why I'm actually doing this. So for the 3 people that are watching, hi Doreen, hi mom, welcome to a new video of... I saw a cute makeup today and I'm gonna try and recreate. So anyway, I'm gonna recreate this look because I have no imagination whatsoever at this point in my life to create something myself. I'm not prepared. Be right back. I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do. I feel like it's been forever since I've done any special makeup and it's not even that hard, but I just feel like I'm gonna ruin it. My hair is so fetish. Greasy. That's the word. Unprepared in front of the camera. What could go wrong? Absolutely fucking nothing. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of our eyebrows. So we're gonna start with having a shot. Ow, come in my mouth. So I'm gonna go over my eyebrows and make sure it's not, how do you say that, greasy? I don't fucking know. This is the thing. I love making videos, but I can't explain what I'm doing. Okay. Ooh. Okay. This is a great representation of my life. I want a lot of things and I can't make it happen. We're gonna take whatever stick you have. I don't know even if this is a good one. I use it to make my scrapbooks. And if you don't find... Up. I'm just... What is wrong with me? Maybe I just need to learn how to speak again before I try to make a fucking YouTube channel. Success. Hey, do you want to say hi, Billy? I also got a new cat. Hi. Oh. Honestly, I don't even think I have white. Okay, so you can go over your eyebrows for like 1 to 3 times, depending how much brow you have, how necessary it is to go over it again. The more you do it, the better, I guess. So I moved out of my parents' house, so this is why I have a new setup. It's really not tidy because I'm an adult. I don't have time for that. So I got this big bag of stuff that was still at my parents' house full of makeup. I'm like, I can't throw that away because, you know, my career might happen once. So I just kept it. And look what I found. White. White. And this is why I never throw away stuff. Mother. It's like I've never done makeup in my life. Okay, so it's nearly dry. I think I'm gonna go ahead with some powder. I'm just really sad that I don't have a single pencil to use. I'm gonna draw out a circle, how I want my makeup to go. This is going well, I think. Looks stupid. Oh yeah, I didn't even say which white I'm using. I'm using the Meron. I still have a discussion about how you pronounce the brand Meron. Okay, tip number 1, hate that I did it with a sponge. Do not recommend. Okay, I think I'm fixing it. I'm fixing it. Do you know the thing is with makeup? In the beginning, you're not that good, so you don't really care how good it is. You just like, okay, I tried. And then I used to do makeup and be done like a crazy, scary aesthetics makeup, and I'll be done in like an hour. And with makeup, it doesn't look good until like 5 minutes before you finish, maybe 2. Nose doesn't want to. It's not that. it doesn't want to. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that. Okay, next up I'm gonna use my Be Perfect Carnival palette. It's not quite that what I wanted. Rephrase. I'm gonna use my Be Perfect palette and also my Morphe, is it 35B? Oh my god, I just still remember that 35B palette. And I'm gonna mix the blues in the palette. Lord, be with me. And I'm still gonna go over this nose because it pisses me the fuck off. That just made it worse. Fuck me. I'm gonna embrace the nose. The nose looks like shit. Now I'm going to take my Mehron palette, which is a basic palette. It has basically all the colours, and I'm going to go in with the red to create the nose. If I have a pencil. I felt like making it a bit more red around the nose, just to not always draw inside the lines. Do you see that? Fucking hate that little piece of hair hanging there, thinking it can have its own life. Not today. I'm gonna go over it in a minute, just gonna let it dry because the white makes it grey. I'm gonna take an, how do you call that? A cotton stick that you normally put in your ear. I'm gonna clean off the edges and then I'll get back to you. Took the little thingies just because I'm gonna clean out my eyes real quick and I might as well show you how I did that. Ugh. Why? So I just put some water and some soap in it, and I'm just gonna gently make a line. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me shade 110. I'm gonna go in the red for the lips because I don't have any red lipsticks on me right now. I'm gonna take some black eyeshadow and just try to get a little shadow around that black. Okay, I think we're gonna do some lashes and then we're about to finish it off. how good are lashes, honestly. Do you want to come with mummy? Do you want to come with mummy? Guess not. Do you think mummy's scary? Oh. Don't have to be a bitch on camera. Do you know what I love about this camera? It just stops after like 20 minutes of recording and I'm like talking and it just... Ah, I don't like that. I don't know what I'm doing here, but it's not right. What am I? Keep getting worse. That's great. I don't know what this is, but do you know what? I'm sick of it, so I'm gonna go with it. How about they? My eyes look fire. Look at me. You know, I always did well with the clown look. Excuse me, sister. Can we just not do that? I would love to put some lip balm on my lips, but I don't think I have that. I don't have anything, actually. I would go to work like this, I'll just look at my eyes. Me? No, it's given. Okay, I never know we're close to where, so I'm just gonna go with a black pullover. Billy, can we not make the noise? What if I... Okay, stop. I love it. The only thing that really bothers me, and I don't know if you see it on camera, is that there's one line here that is not good. But as we saw in the video, my bald cap, I can't fix that. So we're gonna do this and that's it. For those who are still watching, nobody, thank you for watching and welcome back to my channel. I'm exhausted. So probably is going to be my last video of 2023. I don't know how much time I'm going to have. 31st of October is almost done. I do love a good Halloween makeup, but filming takes a lot of time. And if I want to post a lot, it's just not going to happen, is it? Let's just be honest, it's not going to happen because, baby girl, I don't have time. I do have time. I just spend it very differently than most people. No, that's not true. I sit on TikTok a lot, so probably, yeah. Either way, so for those who are still here, thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll be back soon, maybe with a different hair colour, who knows, probably. I don't know. So anyway, have a nice evening, morning, midday, whatever the fuck. I should stop swearing. No, I shouldn't. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos about makeup and hair and my stupid life. And then I'll see you in my next video. Bye!